Welcome to ShadowVote. This is the landing page. Once you have clicked the link or once you open it, this is the demo part. You can scroll down to see the features and how it works. So we are going to launch the app. Once you launch the app, there is a pop-up message from you can either use the wallet if you have it, but since ShadowVote has been made to be accessible to those even who doesn't have wallet and who do not know anything about it, they can log in using Google. So we are going to click Google to log in. Once we click Google login, we are given a temporary wallet address here. This temporary wallet address is what we are going to submit to the admin, and the admin is going to create you an account that you will use to vote and to file reports. So we are going to the admin section, or we are going to log in using the wallet, so that I will walk you through what ShadowVote is all about. So here is the pop-up message, and because I'm using MetaMask, I will go ahead and connect. Once you connect, you have to see the green part which shows that you are connected. Mine shows Sepolia because that's where I've connected my wallet to. And here is the dashboard. So once you get the temporary wallet address that I've shown you using the login with Google, you submit it to the admin, and the admin is going to run it here to verify your identity so that you can be able to take part in elections and to submit anonymous whistleblower reports. So once the admin runs your temporary wallet address, you get the account, and this registry of identity is to those who are using the wallet, not the login part. So I'm going to the admin section. I'm going to try and create an election just to show you how it works. So I'm going to the admin section, and I'm going to I start by creating the election period. Let me say let the election start in the next 0 minutes and then to 120. And then I'm going to schedule the elections. Once I schedule the election, there's a pop-up message here for me to confirm. I'm going to confirm the elections, and then once I've confirmed the elections and the election period has been set, I'm going to go ahead and the election has been set now. So we are going to go ahead and make the positions that are supposed to be voted into, and then we are going to register candidates. Let me use the class rep position. So the pop-up message is here for me to confirm, and then the class rep position is successfully made. So I'm going to add candidates ahead. The position is successfully made. I'm going to add candidates. The ID of the class rep here is 1, so I'm going to add candidates. You can hold election for various positions. Let's add another position here for the president. Let's say the president of the school. You can add numerous positions. You can hold election not just on one position. So here we have, I had the previous one, and then we are going to add the presidential elections. The presidential election is fully added. So I'm going to try and add names for the candidates. I'm going to try and add names for the candidates. Name number 1, I'm going to add Irene. I'm going to add Irene. let's make it happen. Then the focality, I'm going to add hospitality. Then the position ID. Now here is where the admin will put the candidates in their different category. So the position ID for 0, that is for class rep. Class rep, I'm going to add Irene Dab in class rep. Then I'm going to confirm it. Let me go ahead and add another candidate here as Steven Sang. Then we are going to add him for president. He's going to stand for president. This one is business and communication, BCom. Business and communication. Then I'm going to add the candidature. Then I'm going to confirm. That's the work of the admin, to add the candidature. So once the candidature is confirmed, you are just going to scroll down here and you are going to see the election hospitality candidates are here: Henry, Nancy, and Irene. But for the president, Stephen Sang is the only one in the president. Remember, all of them are sealed, the elections. So we are going to the vote section. This is vote and reveal. The voting has, you don't need, remember we are doing it walletless and no gas, so you need no gas to vote. So this one is down here is the admin part. This one are for the admin. They can reveal votes, compute, and see the winner. But here you can vote for any person for the candidature that you want. That's how ShadowVote works. That's how ShadowVote works. The votes are fully encrypted, no gas needed, walletless to those who don't have wallet, and still is fully encrypted. You can come here to the report section if you want to submit any report. It is also gasless. It's also gasless. Only the admin can reveal the report. So that's how ShadowVote actually works.